Ever feel like you're trying everything online, but nothing's really working? You're not alone. The truth is, most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're following the wrong plan. This video isn't for everyone. It's for you. I'm not here to sell you hype. No get rich quick. No BS. I'm giving you 5 real ways to make money online that actually work in 2025. Let's go. Have a skill: writing, design, video editing. Create a profile on Fiverr or Upwork, show your best work, and start small. One good client can lead to everything. Don't chase views. Build value. Use YouTube to help people and guide them to your product or affiliate offer. Even small channels can make real money. Promote tools people actually use. Canva, Notion, AI tools. They pay you monthly. Create tutorials, be honest, and let the income grow. You don't need to be an expert. Just share what you know. Turn it into a simple PDF and sell it on Gumroad or Payhip. People pay for value, not length. Want stability? Look for remote jobs on Remote OK or We Work Remotely. Customer support, data entry, virtual assistant. No degree needed. These methods aren't magic, but they're real and they work. I didn't make this video for clicks. I made it for you. You're not too late. You just needed the right direction.